Guys, I have to be honest, there hasn't been a videos for a week, but today I received the Times Gate from Divoom. Times Gate from Divoom. As always, Divoom, they have a cute package. Let's take off our case. The case looks like this with unique design. Divoom's sticker. To open the case we have to push, and there we can see our Times Gate. It has very future design, cyberpunk style. This device literally making a time travel. They actually saying that on back. Under the our Times Gate we have our Times Gate's user manual. I think I'm doing something wrong, but it's okay. The user manual is literally a book. It has every popular languages. We have a pass, I don't know what is that for. And there we have our cables. That's all what we have inside. The box included the box, user manual, the cables, and the Times Gate itself. I think I'm doing something wrong again. And there we can see our cables. We have a branding from Divoom, I like it. As always, we have a very pleasant material in cable. Let's connect to our Times Gate, but while I'm connecting, you have to take a look about this design. It's literally crazy. I'm successfully connect the Times Gate to my MacBook. It has no problems because it's just plug and play. We have to connect our Times Gate to our phone because it's without connecting Times Gate to our phone, Times Gate not gonna work. To connect to the phone, please make sure you choose the Wi-Fi because Times Gate works only with Wi-Fi. We have to press add device, we have to choose Wi-Fi, we have to choose our Times Gate, and we have to work with instructions. Here is how Times Gate wake up connected. Here we can choose for each display something. In the first one I wanna put YouTube channel. We have to find our channel. I'm choosing my channel, Remkich, and here we can see how it looks like. It shows every subscribers and we can adjust it for likes, subscribers, for videos, for everything. For second one I will choose the TikTok channel. For the third one let's choose the clock. Let's choose some minimalistic clock. And the next one I will choose my Twitch channel. For the last one I will choose my Pinterest account. It's ready, it looks like this, but for TikTok, Twitch and Pinterest we have to log in. I will do it later, and later I will show you how it looks like. Technical specifications. The displays have only 5 displays with full color LCD screen. Each screen has a 1.44 inch panel. Each screen has a 128x128 pixel resolution. The Times Gate works only with Wi-Fi. It has real-time data. Dual-sided RGB, it features RGB strips on the back and the sides. And the important thing is the Times Gate can only support the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The app, you control everything from the app, Divoom's app. It's where you customize the color, the data, the animations, everything from app. The Times Gate powered by USB-C, it's included the cable. We also can draw here. We can put here our photo or video. Of the functions we have there a noisy meter. It looks like this. We have there a countdown mode, but I called that lock-in mode. Here is final looking. If you watched all the way to end, let me know what you thought of Times Gate. I read every comment.